Hey guys, it's JP Quignon. It's been a while, but today I decided to make a bike check because I got a new camera. So I'll start off with the bars. They're bone death bars, the 4-piece. I like them a lot. They're good for turn downs and stuff. The grips are Scotty Cranmer Duo grips. They're actually my favorite. They're way better than all the other grips because they're super thick and they're really squishy. I really recommend them. They're like $4 on Dancecom. Then the headset, probably the oldest part on my bike. Still rocking the Shadow headset in copper. Forks, I got the Odyssey R25 forks. Great for nose bandies and shit, and like they're just fucking strong. They have like the lifetime warranty stuff. Pegs, I've got I don't know, like metal Sub Rosa pegs, both of them. And I actually put PVC on my pegs so it'll grind better instead of putting like plastic pegs, because like I'd rather have like a steel peg that I can grind on and just put PVC over it when I need to like slide more. Now let's move to the frame. This is actually my second Sub Rosa frame I've had since I've made the last bike check. It's the Huang Tran Villicus Prime 2. I believe. It's really nice. It's super short. I love it. 13.2 back end, 75-degree head tube angle. It's freaking great. The stem is also a Sub Rosa stem. It's the High Life stem. It clamps on the bars so fucking well, and it clamps on everything. I mean, I wouldn't change it for the world. Now moving down. My cranks are just like the stolen Talon cranks, or the new stolen cranks. I can't remember what they're called. The welds are really shitty on them, but they came free with these. They came free with these stolen Thermalite pedals, which I thought I'd take off because I actually have JC pieces at home. But these are actually the pedals that have lasted me the longest of all pedals I've ever had. So, stolen Thermalite plastic and metal pin pedals are fucking great, man. The sprocket, which I love, is the Bandit sprocket. Still rocking this. It's kind of getting old. It's a bit bent at places, but it's kind of holding up, so I like it. Next, the chain is one of those KMC cool chains. I don't have much to say about it except it's a chain. Next, the tires. This is actually quite a funny story. I used to have the big ass Sub Rosa tires in the front, the Gravediggers, but I finished them out and like they were like the thread was showing and stuff. So I decided to put on these really old 2.1 Shadow tires. It's hard for like freeing down stair sets with 2.1s, but apart from that, I love nose freeing with them and stuff. So I might be running them for a while. Another thing that's new is, newer than my last bike check. My wheel set, I got Sunringle rims front and back. In the front, I've got one of these Daily Grind hubs. It's great, it hasn't broken. It's probably like one of the only parts that doesn't break on my bike. I got the Merit hub guards, the tension hub guards. They're hub guards. I don't know what to say. They're cheap. Moving to the back wheel set, I've got the Salt Plus Trapeze Free Coaster, which always breaks. I don't really recommend it. It's light and stuff, but like it's really not worth it. And right now I'm not running any pegs except for this micro peg from Stolen. But yeah, I mean usually I ride pegs. I just didn't put them back since I went to Montreal to film for the edit. Now let's move up to the seat. I've got the Daily Grind Stealth Pivotal seat. It's actually really great. Like, it's a really freaking nice looking, comfortable seat. Like, it looks so cool. And yeah, that's pretty much my bike. Tell me what you guys think about it. Rate, comment, subscribe.